Hello there, my own name is Michael Carney. I'm the Operations Manager here at Aura Youghal, which is linked to Cork County Council. We have a fantastic facility here. We've got a baby pool for the children between 0 and 2, then we've a learner pool for the slightly taller children, and then we've got our full-size adult pool, which is 25 metres long and 12 metres wide, multiple lanes, fine slide for kids that are over 1.2 metres high to go down, and then in our baby and learner pools we have smaller slides and features for them to enjoy. Upstairs then we have a brand new gym which was only installed last year with the top of the range techno gym equipment, and a fitness studio then as well, so we can cater for all your fitness needs. We also have a brand new sauna which was put in 12 months ago, and a steam room as well, so be a part of your recovery after a hard training session on the pitch, or just to relax after a hard day's work. With something for everybody here. We offer annual memberships and monthly memberships as well for direct debit. If you want more information, you can visit our website. We also do pay-as-you-go options, so to use our gym it's $11.50 for an adult and $6.50 for an OAP. To use the pool it's €10 for an adult and $6.50 for a child or an OAP, and we also have a family swim option as well. For any more information you need on our prices or our membership options, visit auraleisure.ie and then look for Youghal and contact the centre. We'll be happy to come back to you with any information you require.